Man, they got some really cool names for these street names out here. And we're kind of in this industrial area and just kind of admiring some of the street names. And we're gonna walk down this kind of short little street with industrial stuff. But we got some really cool stuff over here because we have a cement factory with a cement truck, and then we have this little waterfront right here as well. So we're gonna check that out, and then our target street, which is Rua dos Jamboleiros. Man, that sounds so cool. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, street, we'll see you a little bit later because we're gonna go check out the other side. Come over here, and I want to see what this is all about. So we do have this cement factory. It looks like a factory, and this street right here is on the waterfront. So yeah, it's actually like a cement. So I guess the cement trucks are doing a lot of construction everywhere. So I guess they bring in the cement from there and they film it, they put it here, and I'm filming it. But I don't know if I don't know if I should be focusing too much on it because they might ask me what I'm doing exactly. So we're gonna keep on walking around and kind of capture some of the stuff on this water. I think right here, all these little mangrove stuff is what Macau used to look like before they did all the reclaimed land projects. I think there used to be a lot of this. I was studying about another part of Macau in the northern part, and they basically reclaimed the land and kind of created like docks and kind of different things. I think it's because traditionally Macau was more like mangroves and things like that. Okay. Whoa! That rat is huge. There's a little rat just camping around down there. Glad it's not a snake. Okay, so actually this little thing, I have seen this before. This is like a, oh, so a runner just went by. There's the cement mixer down that way. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come down this way. Damn, we got like rats, we got runners coming out of nowhere. All kinds of stuff to startle somebody. Okay, yeah, this industrial area, it's like a little bit unsure, you know, if I'm okay to film and stuff like that. Sometimes people can be sensitive and there's different issues. Dang, trash on the street there. Oh, let's see. I think that's so anyways, it looks like there's a dock right down that way. Looks like they're doing some construction and some boats in here as well, so there's some, I don't think I'm not gonna go down it. I have been in here before down there a little bit, but it's actually not our target street. But you can kind of see that it looks kind of interesting. And across the water is University of Macau. So University of Macau is on the Hengqin side. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna come back and we're going to go between these vehicles, and we're gonna go down our target street. And I am trying to document all of Macau because I do think that this will all change someday. And I wanna capture it in time, exactly what it is in this moment in time. So that's kind of a small motivation for me. But anyways, right here, I'll give you a little bit of context and stuff. We have 2 cement factories because I saw this green one right here that we started at, and that other one down there is another cement factory as well. So there's actually 2 of them. There's the cement, it's moving right now. You can see it moving down. So they're filling those up, and they're doing a lot of construction work everywhere in Macau. And we have kind of a short street, so we're going to capture it in my effort to capture much as I possibly can of Macau. Yeah, I do think this will change. And just for example, that's one oasis right there. That's some pretty nice apartment buildings. And then this is just factories all the way down to here. So, you know, I think it's just a matter of time before this all kind of spreads out, right? I think it's an industrial zone, but the demand for different types of housing, I don't know, you know, just don't really know. And behind me we had Hengqin Island, which was where the University of Macau is at. That's a little jurisdiction in mainland China that's under Macau, the University of Macau. But it's surrounded by walls, which is part of Hengqin. And I've heard that that's the future, is to move Macau, not move it, but move the boundaries so it goes out that way. We'll see how that fully develops though. But if they do, this industrial stuff could move out there, and then this could all, these apartments here could just start moving this way. I don't know, we'll see. It's hard to say. Anyways, here's another motor company, ProTech. So we're gonna come up to the end and then we're gonna flip the camera around, show you where we just came from. And then we'll give you another little taste of this industrial part of Macau. We're technically on the area called Coloan, but we're in like an industrial part of Coloan. Some interesting vehicles out here. Okay, so this is the end of our street. This interesting named street, Jamboleiros. And that's where we just came down. And this is where we would come out to, is this area here, which is, let me see what this street is called. Okay. This kind of has a pretty cool named street as well, with a funny broken sign. So, okay. This street's a little too long to film, but it is kind of a cool street. But anyways, very industrial. And this one is where this one comes out to. And it would be interesting to see if they all have different stuff in the future. All right. Hope you enjoyed it. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.